If you could use only one AI in 2026, which one would you choose? ChatGPT or Google Gemini? I tested both using real-world tasks and the results surprised me. In this video, we are going to compare ChatGPT and Google Gemini using 5 real tasks that people use every day. We'll compare both AI tools by giving them the exact same task for writing, research, music generation, image generation, and document summarization. Before we start, tell me in the comments, which AI do you use the most right now? ChatGPT or Gemini? Let's start with writing. For this test, I asked both AI tools to write a YouTube video script. Here is the prompt. Write a 2-minute YouTube video script. Both AI tools generated good scripts, but ChatGPT's script had a stronger hook, smoother flow, and sounded more natural. Gemini's script was accurate, but it needed a little more editing. So for writing, ChatGPT wins this round. Now let's test research. This time I asked both AI tools. Research the latest AI announcements from Google I/O 2026. Both found useful information. But Gemini provided more up-to-date results and covered the latest announcements much faster because it is connected with Google Search. So for research, Gemini takes the lead. Now let us test music generation. For this test, I gave both AI tools the same prompt. Create a 30-second upbeat background music track. This round was very interesting. Gemini can actually generate music using Google's AI music tools, so it was able to create an original music track. On the other hand, ChatGPT cannot generate music by itself. It can help you write lyrics, suggest music styles, or create prompts for AI music generators, but it cannot generate the actual music. So if you're looking to create background music, jingles, or soundtracks using AI, Gemini is the clear winner here. Now let us test image generation. For this test, I gave both AI tools the same prompt. Create a high CTR YouTube thumbnail for a video. Both AI tools generated good-looking thumbnails. But ChatGPT followed the prompt more accurately, generated cleaner text, and created a thumbnail that looked more polished and ready to use. Gemini also produced a good result, but it struggled a little with the text and overall thumbnail layout. So for creating YouTube thumbnails and AI images, I would give this round to ChatGPT. Finally, let us test document summarization. I uploaded the same PDF to both AI tools. Then I asked, summarize this document into 5 key points and explain them in simple English. Both AI tools summarized the document well, but Gemini, especially when used with Notebook LM, made long documents much easier to understand and navigate. So for summarizing documents, Gemini wins this round. So what is the final result? If your main work is writing YouTube scripts, creating thumbnails, or generating AI images, I would recommend ChatGPT. But if you do a lot of research, work with PDFs, or want to generate AI music, Gemini is the better choice. The truth is, both AI tools are incredibly powerful. The best one depends on what you use AI for every day. Now, I want to hear from you. If you could use only one AI for the next year, which one would you choose? ChatGPT or Gemini? Or did these results surprise you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more AI comparisons, tutorials, and the latest AI updates, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to Tweak Library. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.